Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook a very simple chicken fried rice without vegetable. So I have 1.5 cup of cooked rice, about 100 grams of boneless chicken, 1 egg, half of the yellow onion, 3 cloves of garlic I chop it, quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of pepper, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. So I like to start off with marinate the chicken with salt. Just going to put in only half of the salt and half of the pepper. Also half of the light soy sauce. Just marinate it. Alright, done for the chicken. Now we can go and cook it. Put in about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. When oil is hot, I'm putting in the garlic. We're going to fry the garlic until brown and crispy. Alright, garlic is ready. I'm going to switch off the heat and remove it from the pan first. I still have a bit more of garlic and the oil in the pan, so I'm going to switch on the heat again. And this time I'm going to cook the egg. Let's put in the egg. Pinch of salt. We're going to break the egg. Just like that. Switch off the heat and remove the egg from the pan as well. Put it aside. I still have some more oil and garlic in the pan. Switch on the heat again, and this time we're going to cook chicken. Put in the onion as well. Stir fry until the chicken and the onion is cooked. Chicken will take about 2 to 3 minutes to cook. You just need to flip it, just like that. Alright, chicken is nice and cooked. Now I'm going to lower the heat and we're going to put in the rice. Add in the balance of all pepper, salt, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, chili sauce, egg, half of the garlic. Now I'm going to raise the heat to the medium heat again, and now I'm going to stir fry it. Continue to stir fry until all the ingredients and the seasoning mix well and the rice is heated up again. All the ingredients are well mixed and the rice is cooked, and now I can taste it. Delicious. Enough taste, enough flavor. Very delicious. So I'm going to switch off the heat and then we can dish out and serve. This is totally no vegetable. If you want, you can serve with fresh cucumber or tomato if you have it in the house. We still have fried garlic, so I'm going to top it up with the fried garlic. Just gonna take a little bit of rice and chicken. Wow, delicious. Fried rice is very flavorful. The chicken is very tasty and tender. Got a bit of spiciness from the chili sauce with the nice fragrance of the fried garlic. Ingredients are well combined. Overall, it's very delicious. I give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends. And remember to subscribe for more of my delicious home cooked meal like this. Thank you and bye-bye.